you along my nighttime routine with my hair. So it's very simple, really simple. For my hair, this is just water. I put it in one of the girls' detangler cotton candy bottle. It's just a spray bottle, basically. So I put water in here and I moisturize my hair. Last night I put some leave-in conditioner. That's why it's good to just stick to what you know, because I put some leave-in conditioner thing and it made my hair hard, like really hard, and then it has these white stuff in it. So what I'm gonna do now is try to, because I try not to brush my hair. I just use my fingers and finger detangle my hair, because I don't want breakage. Right now the length of my hair, and it's been 1 year since I cut my hair, so I'm really proud of my length. So that's the length of my hair, and I'm proud of it. The edges are coming back and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water. So I'm gonna try to keep you guys. Okay, so what I do is I section my hair in 2, 4, 6, 8, in 8 little sections, and get my spray water, and I just spray each section, and I add enough water. I usually use warm water to moisturize my hair, because I have really low porosity hair, meaning my hair does not like to take in moisture at all. You can put as much moisture as you want in there, and it just won't. So what I do is I finger detangle, and I'm gonna go in the shower later when I go up, because I have another routine that I do upstairs. So when I go in the shower later, I'm gonna take this twist out and I'm gonna wash it in sections to get all this gunk out of my hair and stuff. So I'm just gonna do this all over my head until all the sections of my hair is fully protected. And although this is my protective style for nighttime as well. So there it goes, right there, and watch the shrinkage. Look at that. So I'm just gonna keep going in sections. And when I put my hair up in the mornings, I do not comb out, brush out, so my hair has like a memory. It just, the part does not disappear. So I'm gonna put as much water in my hair right now to get that mess out of my hair, and I'm just gonna, you know, do what I gotta do to get this sucker out. Hi guys, I decided to do a voiceover because this is way too long and ain't nobody got time to be sitting here listening to me rant on and on and on about we don't even know what. So I usually section my hair in, I think, 8 sections, and add water to each section individually. And sometimes I might put coconut oil, but because I was getting ready to hop in the shower and wash that mess that I left in my hair the previous night before, I didn't add any coconut oil to my hair to seal in the moisture. I just was like, I'm gonna wash it out anyways. So I did my hair in a little, it's like twist out and stuff. And after that, I think I went in the shower and I got lazy, so I didn't really wash it out. When it comes to my hair, I'm like really lazy. I don't like to spend the time to take proper care of my hair. But I'm trying though. I'm really trying to take better care of my hair and get it to a state where I can be really proud to rock my natural hair, because having natural hair, especially 4C hair, is kind of it becomes like a chore, or it's very hard. It's hard to take care of a natural hair. There are days that I struggle with whether or not I want to put a perm in my hair, but I know if I put the perm in my hair, it's going to eat out the entire back of my hair, because that's the weakest point of my hair, is the back of my hair. And everywhere else will be fine, but the back of my hair will be the first to go, and then I'll be bald headed. And don't nobody want to walk around being bald headed. I'd rather walk around with my hair in its natural state than to walk around bald headed and looking a mess. So it's been a process trying to learn how to take care of my natural hair and be proud of my natural hair and be proud of who I am, and that is, I am a strong Black woman, regardless of who I'm married to and whatever. I am a strong Black woman, and my hair has different textures. It does what it wants on most days, and I just got to go with it and love it and just figure out how to maintain it and just figure out what it is, because it's a beast. It's a beast, and I'm learning as I go. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys enjoy. Okay, so all the sections are done, and what I usually do is I get the water bottle and I just go around and I like sprit a lot of water on my kitchen area and the front of my hair, just to make sure it's nice and moisturized. Because even if I do not wash my hair, decide not to wash my hair, at least my hair is moisturized until the morning. So they're all done. Got little plaits going on, so I'm gonna go upstairs, take my eyebrow situation off, do my face, take a shower, and then go night night.
Yeah, everybody take something.
Mommy. What time? It's bedtime? Yeah, bedtime. It's bedtime? Okay. Yeah. Alright, ready to go do our nighttime routine? Yeah. Alright, let's do it, girl. Alright, let's go.
Handrail.
No handrail. I'm hands free. Okay, so this is the time of night that I go and pick out Maddie's pajamas, but I think I'm gonna throw her little dirty butt in the shower with me, because ain't nobody got time to be dating Madison by herself, so I'm gonna throw her in the shower with me.
Yeah.
Good night.
It went up to 70.
It went up?
Versus
okay.
Number 66.
Our room stayed cold at nighttime, so that's why he went downstairs and played with his, I don't know what he played with.
You went up to school?
So.
Huh? Those his pants?
What pants? What, the holes in them?
Yeah.
What's wrong with them?
What's not wrong with them?
Madison, come on. All right.
That's stupid. What did I tell you every day?
So, come. So, this is the toner I use. This is the scrub I use in the morning. This is the cleanser that I use in the morning. So this is it. All this other stuff is for like when I'm not breaking out. And then this is one that I tried, but it didn't really work. I still use it, but this is my go-to still. And then I use this to scrub. So this is my morning. I'm gonna show you guys my nighttime. Okay, so this is my Mia brush that I use in the shower. I use this Free of Pores BO in the shower, and then I use the Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. So I use this first, then I use this guy, and then same toner for nighttime. Okay, baby. And then I use this for my moisturizer for my face. And then this is the pencil I use for my eyebrows. This is a NYX pencil. I love it because it works. And then this is the shampoo that I use in my hair in the shower. And then this is the stuff I left in my hair yesterday that made it a hot mess. So I'm getting ready to take my eyebrows off. So let's do that. So yeah, go in bed. So I'll just go ahead and just rub this bad boy. Get in bed. Like so. And while I'm doing that, I usually start the get that going. So I'm gonna go take this off, hop in the shower, and get everything nice and clean. So I'll see you guys after I get out. It's so steamy in here. It's like steam for days. Well, I'm gonna go dry my hair. I'm gonna go dry my hair and put lotion on. Cause if not, I'm gonna be ashy then I'll get out. So, okay. Use this guy. Just my toner. I don't use anything, I just it smells so good. So good. I'm a weirdo. It's so amazing. Cause I don't want y'all looking at my boob. Little pervies. So this is too much. I only need a little bit. And I go into my little wrinkle right here. That bad boy is trying to make me seem like I'm old, and I'm only 36. I am a young girl. Oh, there's no need for me to be looking like my mother. So, if I put a lot of moisturizer on before bed, I wake up and I'm like oily. Can't afford to be oily. I have to wear some kind of lip gloss or lip balm on my lip because if not, I'm gonna be so dried out throughout the night. Because Rob sleeps with the heater on, so that's that. And usually I dry my hair some more, but I'm just gonna put a towel on my I'm just gonna put a towel on my I'm gonna put a towel on my pillow and go to bed. This guy's a little weird. And go to bed. And that's it. So that's my face. I have to go put deodorant on and lotion because I'm a bit ashy. Well, I'm gonna wake up and be like really ashy. So, and plus, I'm obsessed with when I climb into bed and Rob is like, he's like sniffing, trying to see what fragrance I'm wearing because I have a ton of them. So he's like, oh, I like that one. And it's like, it just like kind of like put him to sleep. Kind of like, so I'm like obsessed with fragrance at nighttime, putting it on for him. So, yeah. I have to do a video on how we've been able to stay married and attracted to each other for the last 14 years. We've been married 13 or 14 years. So I have to do a video on that and give you guys little tips and tricks. But anyways, without further ado, I think I shared enough with you guys where you get an idea of what I do at nighttime. Right now, Rob is sleeping, so I have to be like really quiet because he's gone to bed. Usually when I climb in the bed and he smells the fragrance, he wakes up for a little bit and he's gone again because he's like really tired. So the little one is up and watching YouTube videos, so I gotta go get her and wind her down, and then I watch some YouTube, and if I have time I'll comment. If not, then just know that I support you with my views. Not so much my comment and interaction, you know. Shout out to Jennifer from the channel I Love Lunches. Who else? Oh, there's so many. Mia from Mia Joy. Who else? The Queen Vlogs. Shay from Kicking It with the Grand. Shout out to a bunch of you. I'm gonna do some more shout outs in the morning. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.